welcome back. My name is Smiti and I hope you all are safe and doing well. So I'm back with another hashtag Reeti review video, and the book that I'm going to talk about in today's video is Love, Hope and Magic by Ashish Bagrecha. You have seen me opening this parcel in one of my vlogs, I assume. So this book is not the kind of book that I generally review. It is a poetry based book. It is not a story kind of a book. It is a simple poetry based book, and you have very small poetries in it. So you can see very small poetries or conversations or the things or the quotes which we generally hear, but we don't put so much of concentration into those things, or the feelings we have, we don't put that much of thought in those things. So all those things are there in this book, and the author, which is Ashish Bagrecha, used to suffer from depression, and from that phase he thought that he will help all the other people who suffer from the same. He has written the most famous book, that is Dear Stranger. After reading that book, I started admiring Ashish Bagrecha, because no other person has written such a book or in such a manner that you will feel connected with the author in such a deep level. So I really like Ashish Bagrecha as a human being. I personally follow him on my Instagram. He generally posts very good poetries. He writes some amazing poetries on regular basis, and he uploads them on Instagram, and currently he is uploading reels as well. So I am very fond of him. Now coming to the book, I talked a lot about him, but it was required because when you hear a person or any author, you cannot relate to him or her on deep levels, but Ashish Bagrecha is a person who has gone through all this, so he's kind of a friend to us who are going through a deep phase in their life, because he will not tell you to do this or do that, but he knows how you are feeling, but he will be there with you in that painful journey, which is amazing. So I'll be reviewing that book real soon, which is Dear Stranger, but today I'm going to review this. So he has talked about how love, magic and having hope can change everything. We all have been through love once in our life, where we have been cheated. It can be platonic or it can be relationship, but we all have gone through all those things once in our life. We have gone through magic as well. I can share one of my magic with you, which I manifested, and it has shown me instant result, which is Simba, my pet dog. I will someday tell you the entire story, but magic do exist, and having hope is the biggest thing we all can have in our life. If you don't have hope, then life is not worthy, because we all have hope in some or the other thing. Some have hope of having a big house, some have hope having a good job, some have hope having good relationship, but we all have hope in some or the other way, which is very important in our lives. And I too have a tattoo of faith, which also says the same thing, that we should have faith in whatever is happening, it is good or bad. It Life has big things decided for you. You don't even know what life has decided for you, what has decided for you. So all those things Ashish has portrayed in his this book. All the poetries are so beautiful. It will make you feel butterflies in your stomach if you have gone through a breakup, or if you have lost a job, if you have failed in exams. You will definitely feel motivated after reading this. The book is divided in 3 chapters, which is Love, Hope and Magic, and every heading is being explained beautifully and magically. So the day it was launched, it was a big hit. Everybody was excited. I too got excited. I pre-ordered it. So it was a big hit. After Dear Stranger, it was his second book, and it too got hit. So you can imagine how good of a writer he is. Now my review on this book, I will review it 4.5 out of 5. I'm cutting zero point 0.5 because I thought there will be more of poetry in this because it is such a thick book, but we have very small poetries, conversations, but I expected a lot more than that. Means I did not wanted it to end so quickly. I completed this in one go, on a single day in one sitting. So I really wanted it to be a little more. I wanted it to be a little long lasting. I did not wanted it to end so quickly, but that is okay. I am hoping that he will launch a new book real soon. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, all those good things, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't think that I reviewed it so quickly and so short, but it is meant to be like that because it is not a story. So yeah, stay kind, stay positive, and bye bye.